Here we're putting the Chinese handcuff into the vise. This is simply a 4x4 with a couple quick grip clips on it. I found that this does a really good job of holding the handcuff tight while we're putting the overwrap on it. In this case I'm going to use waxed floss, but you can also use a solid spectra. We're going to start with a simple overhand knot. And then what we're going to do is we're just wrapping the end where the monofilament enters the hollow core spectra. We're just going to put a wrap on it. So we'll go up and then come back down and continue this process back and forth over that entry point until we have a good solid covering over top of it, which we will glue in just a minute. What this is going to do is keep that loose end of the hollow core from fraying up. It just makes a nice finish there. We're going to finish this off again by just simply doing a overhand knot in there. This will get glued up. So that's the whip finish there. The next step is going to be to use our two-part glue system. One is an activator, and you need to use the activator because the spectra is naturally resistant to glues. So what this does is strip down the coatings on the spectra and allows it to accept a glue, any glue. We're going to need to let that dry for a minute. It dries fairly quickly, but we'll be right back. We're just going to take the glue, apply it over the whole wrap and down onto the spectra. And you're only applying the glue over this one area. You don't want to put the glue anywhere else, or it will take away from the strength of the Chinese handcuff. So it's just a very small section there. So we've given the glue about 10 minutes to dry. Take it out of the clamps, and there you have it, the Chinese handcuff, where we're going from the spectra coming off the reel. We have the Chinese handcuff itself. We have the glued transition, and then the monofilament top shot.